That was good.
Push it again.
Okay, here comes the pizza.
Alright, thank you. Hey, get your hand on my pizza. Get your...
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors.
Oh, this looks like a good hiding spot right here. Oh yeah. It's high right here. Is he coming? Not yet. I hear him coming. Good. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, you got me. Oh, you got me. You got me. Ah, you got me. You got me. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. Baby.
Let's go.
I'm hungry, baby.
Me too.
I'm hungry. You want to get some pizza?
Yeah.
You want some soda too?
Yeah. Look at it. I got them combined.
You got to combine? Oh wow, that's a double gun. Yeah, this Nerf gun it was fun, huh?
This Nerf gun is boring for me because
Well,
I'm so bored.
You bought a Nerf gun? You bought a Nerf gun?
Yeah.
Why you bought it? Okay, let's get some pizza, okay?
Okay.
You want to wait here? I'll go to the ATM and go fast,
Yeah.
and then go to the pizza vending machine. Then I'll get pizza, okay?
Okay.
We want pepperoni?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and grab a seat right here. I'll be back, okay?
It's more heavy.
Yeah, grab a seat right there. Get back, eh?
Okay, I'm gonna look.
Yeah, keep a lookout. Keep an eye on everything. Alright, that's the pizza vending machine. Pizza vending machine, alright. That looked delicious. They got pepperoni, cheese, water, and soda. So, let's see. I gotta get out my, let's say card, huh? So, let's see. I have a debit card, hang on.
Card.
Here's my card right here. Here you go. Put it in. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, I'll put it in this side.
Hello, sir. What do you like to order?
Oh, hi, machine. Oh, you have a pizza vending machine?
Yeah.
Cool. Do I pick push a button there?
You push any button here.
Oh, how your head come out of there?
Push any button here.
Any button there?
Yeah.
Let me see. I want pepperoni and soda.
Okay, here comes.
Okay, let's see. Oh, you gotta cook it first, huh? Yeah, you cook all the. Oh, okay. It take a little longer than that. What? How you get the sunglasses?
Okay, here comes your pizza.
All right. Oh, that's my card. That's not my pizza. Okay, I'll take the card.
Pizza.
Oh, it's my pizza.
Your pizza.
More pizza?
Dee.
Huh? What happened? What happened?
Oh no.
What? That's not my pizza. That's a Star Wars book. The Force Awakens. That's not my pizza. I'll put it back in. Here we go. What? How your face get down there? Put it back in there. That's not my pizza.
Okay, here it comes. There's a book saying, "Are you my mother?"
What? No, I'm not your mother, computer.
I'm mother.
No, I'm not your mother.
Mother, give me the book.
This book, Are You My Mother? That's not me. How you hand get out of the vending machine? Huh? How do you hang it out the vending machine? Okay, I'll put it back in here.
Thank you, my mother.
And I'm not your mother. Do I push the button again?
Yeah.
Okay. Pepperoni and soda.
Oh, wait. Here it comes.
Here it come.
Shh.
Alright! I got my Coca-Cola. I got my soda. Yeah! Alright, now we're waiting for the pizza.
Okay, I'm cooking it. Shh.
Oh, you cooking it? Okay, machine's cooking it right now. Make sure it's pepperoni, okay?
Okay, here it is. Here it goes.
Wow! Wow, look at that. That is a good looking pizza. Wow, where's it going? It's going back in the machine. Huh? Well, what happened?
What the? What is that?
Let me push again. Oh, alright. Where's my pizza going again? What? Give my pizza. Machine, give me my pizza. Give me my pizza.
Is it stuck?
Is it stuck?
It's stuck.
Okay, yeah, I'll push it. There you go. You loosen it up. And alright. What? My pizza. Where's it going? The machine's eating my pizza. I'll push it again.
That was good.
What? Did you eat my pizza?
That was good.
Push it again.
Okay, here comes the pizza.
Alright, thank you. Hey, get your hand on my pizza. Get your hand on my pizza, computer. Get your hand on my pizza.
Pizza.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
What happened?
What the?
Okay, thank you so much. Well, thank you so much for my pizza. What the? What is this? You're turning into a human. Oh, let's get out of here. I'm grabbing my pizza and my drink. I can't get my pizza and my drink. Let me put my pizza down first. Get my drink. Okay. What? He's coming out. He's coming out. I'll just leave my soda. I gotta go. He's coming. He's coming out. What the? He's coming out. Go. Okay, bye. Thank you for the pizza. Bye. Okay, I got the pizza. Let's go see SuperBaby. SuperBaby, look! I got the pizza from the pizza vending machine. Yeah. So what you got there?
Oh.
Huh? Oh, you got the soda?
Yeah, this is my soda.
I know. You know what happened?
What?
The vending machine was chasing me, and I left the soda back there with the vending machine.
No, just somewhere else. I bought it.
Oh, you bought the soda? Perfect. And now we got the pizza.
Yeah, I bought it at the vending machine.
Yeah. Okay.
Pepperoni.
Oh, we want pepperoni? Okay. Okay, we can share this big pizza together. I'm gonna eat it. Can you put pepperoni in my daddy's mouth, please? What are you doing?
Putting salt on it.
You putting salt on it?
Mm.
Here, let me take a bite. Here you go. I'll take a bite. Here. Okay, ready? I want you to bite it. All right, here you go. Let me bite it. Come on. What happened? It's stuck. It's stuck, buddy. Hey, bite again. Oh my god. There you go. So bait a bit, half of it out. It's good? Good pizza, huh? Pepperoni, huh? That was good. More pepperoni? You keep eating all my pepperoni. Yeah, that's good pepperoni, huh? So, yeah, so I bought the pizza. And you know what else he did to me?
What?
He gave me a book. He said, "Are you my mother?" I go, "No, I'm not your mother, computer." I told him. Yeah. You ever seen that before?
Hi, Mother.
Huh? I'm not your mother. I'm your daddy.
Mother.
Taking that bite. Ready? Ready, come on. Come on.
Like a pepperoni.
No. Put your hand down. Ready? Here you go. Here you go. Ready? Ready? No, big bite. Do it again. Here you go. Bite. My heart. My harder. What are you doing? You keep biting. There you go. You bit that side and you bit that side. Dad got bite this side. Here, hang on. Ah. That was hard.
More pepperoni. Come on.
Good, huh? What happened? That was a good
Go
pizza.
like the pepperoni.
Oh. Okay, that's it. What you say, Super Baby Color?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, SuperBaby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and like, please. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Super Baby Color.